I'm with Crew Enzo here in Pattaya, Thailand. Enzo, always a pleasure to come and see you. It's great, I've just done a session with you and you nearly killed me again. So every time I come here, I feel my life insurance, I have to go and get a new policy because of your health and fitness side of what you're doing. But I'd like you to tell us a little bit about what you're doing here in Pattaya. Can we start there, please?
Okay, I started to make this gym because I want to take the kids and not stay on the street involved in drugs and game or telephone. So I built this gym from 9 years, free for all the Thai people that come here. And some stranger come here and help me a little bit. It depends if they can or not. If they cannot, no problem, they come free, everyone. Because the goal of beach boxing is, when I start to make beach boxing in Spain, and now I make it now happy, now the John Bullock having my good friend in the UK, because many people, they don't have money, they don't have they don't want to train. So I find the way to train on the beach that is a good location, and all the people is happy. But beach box is not only fitness, is to healthy or this, but the way of lifestyle that is important of beach boxing.
I agree with that completely. I think for me, I think the thing for me, it's been about connection, because you're meeting people, and that's one of the things I've noticed when I come to you. I meet a lot of different people. If I go to Master Toddy's in Bangkok, I meet a lot of different people, and I get to know people. That next time I come, they say, "Hello, how are you, John?" And from all over the world, and it's exactly what you're doing. And I think when you're sharing your great skills with everybody within Pattaya, you're doing a great community service, because you're helping keeping people fit, but you're making connections with the community. Because once people come in, they're talking to one another, they're getting to know one another. And the strange thing about exercise, and especially Muay Thai, although it's hard, there's people recognise that, and because they recognise it, it sort of magically, there's a interconnectedness with people.
I think, beach boxing is, like I told you, way of life. But the most important is beach boxing is a family. This beach boxing family is what we want, because now in South America, John, that there is here we have the dog. We are near the jungle, so the dog are near around us. But now in Thailand, in Spain, before I live in Spain, and now in UK. But me and John, we want beach boxing grow up, because in South America they make a South American championship on the beach.
Wow.
This is important because they put the ring on the beach 5 + 5 meters, and they fight with 14 ounce, so it's no danger, and 1.5 minutes for 3 rounds. And there is a federation in South America, federation here, and association and federation in UK. For what is my goal in the future, to tell to the people that the beach is the best way for breathing, for training, for balance, for strength, for everything. The beach is the best place. Even if you make beach boxing on the gym, the way that you training is fitness, lose weight, skill, everything. Somebody want to learn boxing skill, somebody want to learn Muay Thai. Beach boxing is all together.
South America is such a big place. So can we name some of the countries that we're talking about when we talk about South America?
Yeah, South America is Brazil, Uruguay, Paraguay, Mexico, Argentina. Many now grow up of beach boxing. When I saw all the time, Moacir Lima is the president of Brazil. He's a very nice guy. I started to make beach boxing in 2013 in Ibiza. And because, why I start to make beach boxing? Because before I trained boxing and Muay Thai on the gym. And after I think, it's not a good location. Is when you have the good location, your feeling is good for to training.
Definitely.
When you train Muay Thai on the beach, first of all, you learn the balance. Second, the strength, your power, different. And after, when you finish, you can jump inside the water. Even if in UK it's cold, but if you train on sunset, you see beautiful sunset. After training, you make a stretching and Tai Chi in front of the beach. in front of the sun or the sunset is the best.
100%. I think there's something definitely that connection with nature that makes you feel better. It lifts your spirits almost immediately. So if you're out there and you need to connect with people, if you're out there and you want to keep fit, if you're out there and you need to build a community of like-minded people, then I think beach boxing ticks so many things for you. And you can come along to people in Pattaya here with Enzo, in the UK, based on the Whittle and Form and Crosby with me. And of course, in South America, if you happen to be out that way, we can, Enzo certainly can put you in touch with lots of people in those different countries in South America.
Yeah, for me it's important because beach boxing is a family, it's not to have only in my gym a new village that I build, a new village, not only people from Thailand. People from France, from England, from Australia, from America, from Russia, from Germany, from all the country. And the other things, in beach boxing, we have the rule that we have to train with a smile, because I live in the land of smile, and every time when we train, we have to smile, enjoy, stay together. This is the most important. And not only one father of my boy told me, Enzo, you not teach only beach boxing, but you teach education and respect. That is important about beach boxing.
I couldn't have said that any better. Enzo, always a delight to be in your company. Thank you so much. Good
You
luck for your
always
future,
welcome in Thailand, and always welcome people from beach boxing family here in Thailand. Okay?
Okay.
See you soon.
Come.
Yeah.